Qatar is 2% of OPEC. It's a small oil producer. It's a huge gas producer. And Qatar saying it has nothing to do with sort of the economic and political pressure being put on it by Saudi Arabia and others. Do you buy that?
Partially. It's very true that Qatar is a very small producer, 600,000 barrels a day. They've announced they're going to comply with the cuts. They've also stated very clearly they want to focus on LNG and return to being the world's largest LNG producer. And a lot of what liquids come with that are condensates, which are exempt from OPEC. We understand their sentiment. We think politics is also playing a part in their decision.
Yeah, they're under sort of a diplomatic blockade from Egypt, Saudi Arabia, and some others. Listen, they've been in OPEC since 1961, Alan. They are the first Gulf nation to ever quit the cartel. You know, big changes can start from small things. Do you believe that Qatar's move, as small as it may be a bigger move longer term in the future of OPEC?
Oh, that's quite a big question. We don't currently see it in that regard. We need to see how the meeting goes at the end of this week. The agreement, the degree of agreement, potential discourse among some of the members. You're quite right, it is significant in the first Arab Gulf member leaving, or Persian Gulf member leaving. We haven't got this as the start of a snowball which will lead to the dissolution of OPEC, because we believe OPEC and also its other members need to cut production next year to balance supply and improve pricing. So we think the cartel needs to come together to reach an agreement again.
We will be there. On Thursday is the OPEC meeting in Vienna, Austria. Do you believe they will make a deal to cut production? Of course, after their deal to increase production just back in June.
We do. What we're hearing from a number of the members is they have a similar view to us, which is the next year looks like oversupply unless we get a reduction from OPEC. The question that we have at the moment is the size of that reduction. We're trying to read the political tea leaves in terms of the relationships between Saudi, Russia, and the other members. Those seem quite positive at the moment. What we're not sure about is how big the cut will be.